corner a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here's a photo that large desk that you like. What's the cost? They cost $140 each, but they are discounted to $100 if you order a minimum of 10 desks. We can sell them at $220. Sounds good. I create the product in our catalog.
Click Sales and click the product, then Create, type the large desk, and click the invoicing policy to delivered quantities. Then the sales price is $220 and the cost is $140. The category is all saleable. Then the references is 001. Then click the purchase to the add the line, the wood corner. Then click the create and edit. Then create the contact of address. Add an email address and the contact number. Type the name and the last name. Type the fixed asset and add a logo to the wood corner. Then after that, click the save and close. Then change the quantity in 1. Then the price is $140. Add the line again to the wood corner. And change quantity in 10. And the price is $100. Then add the product of the large desk. Click the save manually.
Sophia, I plan to purchase large desks. What are your monthly streams? Between 9 and 12. Okay, I purchased 10 desks to start with.
Click purchase and request for quotation. Then type the name, the wood corner. Add the product to the largest desk. Then change the quantity in 10. Then the unit price is 100. Send by email. And send it to the wood corner. Then click Confirm Order. Then click the Print and Purchase Order. This is the purchase order of the wood corner to the largest desk. And click Send PO by email. And this is the composed email to the wood corner and send.
Hello, I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock?
Okay, go to the dock 3. I validate the receipt.
Click Inventory and click to receive. Then click the wood corner to see the order and validate.
Hi, you received from a bill from the vendor. I put in your desk. Can you create the check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date's in the 2 months.
This is the bill for the wood corner.
Hi, Erica from Azure Interior speaking. You've been beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a code for 3 desks to ericaagame.auto.com? You get it by email right now.
Click Sales to create the customer name. Then type the Brandon and add the product of large desk. Then change the quantity to 3 and the unit price is 220. Then click Send by email. Configure your document layout. Then continue. And add the email address of brandon@game.auto.com and save close. Then click Confirm.
Hello, I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate the delivery orders that are ready to ship today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interior is shipped. Okay, I checked this right away.
Click the inventory and click to the deliver. Then click the Azure Interior Brandon and click the validate.
Can you validate which sales orders we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month. I'm on it.
Click to invoice and order to invoice. Then click the Azure Interior. Click the create invoice and automatic regular invoice. Create the drop. Then click the confirm and pay. Then the journal is bank and create the payment.
Can you tell me the net profit of this year? I need it for a board meeting tomorrow. Okay, let me check the profit and loss report.
Click the accounting and click reporting to the profit and loss of this year. Click point of sales. Then click configuration and click point of sales. Then this is the shop and settings. Then bill and receipt, click self-service invoicing, then the QR code, then save.
Roger, I like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of accessories we can easily sell outside?
Sure, no problem. Here's the document with all product accessories information.
Great! I import this file directly in the system.
Click the products and click the products again. Then import the record, upload data file, and click POS products and open. Then after that, import again. When a value cannot be matched, click set to goods.
I love these LED lamps. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good. With today's special offer, when buying 2 identical items, get 20% discount on the 2.
Great! I'll pay in cash. Here's 600.
Click the continue selling. Then wait in the product. Then click the LED lamps in 2. Then get the 20% discount. Then add the quantity again of LED lamps. After that, click the payment of the orders and type 600. Then click the validate. And this is the receipt of the orders.
I've got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
We're closing the shop. I close my possession and be there in a minute.
After the apply the orders, click in the 3 lines and close register.
How do you plan to control the cash from your register?
There are functionality in AutoPOS. I figured the option, but when I needed some cash to set the opening balance, when I open a new session, do you have some?
Sure, can I give you $550 US?
Click the configuration and click point of sales. Then after that, click the dashboard and click open register. And opening cash changes the amount of payment. And click the confirm.
I'll take this whiteboard. It is possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Erica Jasmine D. David, San Jose, Balanga City, Bataan. Phone number is 443-648-9155. I'll pay cash. Here is 200.
Click the customer and create the name. Type the Lorraine Douglas. And put the address 3202 Hannah Street. Then type the Asheville in city. In a country, click the United States and put the postcode 28801. Add the email address lorraine@example.com and the phone number 443-648-9155 and click the save. Click the whiteboard and click the payment. Type the 200 and click the validate. This is the recipient of the order of whiteboard.
I came yesterday and bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
Click the quantity of LED lamps and minus. Then click the payment and type 2224 to return it. And click the validate. This is the return of item.
Dave, don't forget to set the closing balance. You need to add all the coins and bills you have in the register drawer. Yes, I
Close the item, click the three lines, and close register.
Hey, can you tell me which products are best sellers? I check on the orders reporting.
In point of sales, click reporting and click the orders. Click the measure of the product quantity. Then click the pie chart and click the bottom of the right and click the product. This is the product quantity of LED lamps.
I create a project, office design, to structure our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office? It starts with an on-site meeting to check their office and gather info. Then I prepare pre-designed proposals. Based on their feedback, I model a plan. Then sales rep does the quotation with the new products. Okay, thanks. I create the stages and set the email address. Design at on the project to ease the creation of tasks.
In a project, create the new office design. Then create tasks by sending an email to design at Edo My Office Incorporation. Create project. I create the meeting, design, and floor plan. So next is quotation. And add the done.
Hi Google, ask to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to design at your domain name .odo.com with subject Bogle NY to create a task for Audrey.
To create an email, type the domain, click the design at your domain name .odo.com, and subject is Bogle NY. Then type the message of her. Then after that, send it to Na.
You should have a new task for Bogle NY in the project office design. Can you prioritize it? Okay, I'll start the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meeting with the customer next week. Once my meeting is done, I'll work on the design proposal.
In the project, click the office design, and the meeting is under the Bogle NY. Click the show activities to identify the schedule and activity. Activity type is click in meeting, and summary is visit Bogle's office. Then open the calendar.
It is a mistake to offer our office design services for free. If we sell it, customer will be better understand the value of Audrey's work.
You're right, we can sell this service at $50 per hour. I create a product office design service that you can use in your quotation. I configure it to generate tasks for every sales in order.
In sales, click the product and create the new. Type the office design service. After that, click the product type and click the service. In sales price, type the 50 pesos. Invoicing policy based on deliver quantity manual and create an order. Click the task and project is office design. Save manually.
I just confirmed our first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service, estimated at 20 hours. The customer loved it and confirmed that the order right away.
Awesome! Check that the task has been created automatically for Audrey.
Click the orders and click quotations. Click the new for the new customer. Then type the Jackson Group. And add the product on the order lines. In a quantity, change to 20. And the total amount is 1,120 pesos. Then click the confirm.
Don't forget to record your timesheet on the task, as we charge customers based on hours spent. Hold on, I'm on the phone with the Jackson Group. Okay, I've just started to work on the design of the Jackson Group. I log the time spent. Thanks. You use the timesheet apps in Easy.
In a timesheet, add a line and project is office design. Then the task is SO001, the Jackson Group. Time spent is 30 seconds. Work summary. First call to define their needs. Then save and close.
We still have sales order to invoice. I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated the draft invoices. You can review them.
Click to invoice and orders to invoice. Then click the Jackson Group. Then create invoice to regular invoice. Create the draft.
Hi, we just finished the plans to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I create the 4 products in the system as well as the bill of materials, according to your plan.
In manufacturing, click the products to products again and create the new. Type the table and enter the price of 330 and cost is 150. Then click the inventory, unlike the manufacturer. Then save. After that, click the bills of materials. Type the table of a product. Underline the table top. Underline the table leg. And lastly is bold. Then change the quantity of the table leg to 4 and the bold. Then save.
Give me a quotation for 100 tabletops, 400 table legs, and 400 bolts. Sure, here's our offer. Sounds good. I send you the purchase order by email.
In purchase, I create the new and click the vendor in Only Woods Incorporation. Add the product, the table top. Next is table leg, and last is bolt. Then change the quantity 4 and 4. Unit price is 40, 15, 12, sorry. Then 0.50. The total amount is 100.80 pesos. Then confirm the order and send PO by email. Then send.
Hello, we just received the product from Only Woods Incorporated. There are 400 tables, legs, and 400 bowls, but they only delivered 80 tops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with the back order. For the 20 remaining products, they delivered the remaining products later.
The inventory, click the to receive incipient and click the Only Woods Incorporation. Then click the validate.
Ernest, we got all the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
In manufacturing, click the operations and click manufacturing orders. Then create the new. The product is table and the quantity is 3. Then click save and confirm. Then after that, check ability. And produce all.
I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 worker center, assembly station, and painting room. Can we put a table with the instruction of each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I create the routing table production with 2 operations, assembly and painting from the bill of materials.
Thanks, I created documents to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assemble operation?
Click the products and click bills of materials. Then click the table. In operation, add a line, type the assembly, and the other one is assembly station. Then click the PDF, upload your file. Then save and new. Add another one, type the painting, and the other one is painting room. Then click the save and close.
Charlene, our routing is set up. We can create a manufacturing order for the table and plant the work orders. When planned operation become available on the tablets of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
Click the manufacturing, click the operations, then click manufacturing orders, then new. Click the table, then save, then workers order. After that, you make mark as done.
Hi, we've got 5 customers complaining about a defect in their table. Looks like the tabletop separates from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related to the balls. I will create a quality control point on the assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measures stay between 11 and 15 noon.
Quality. Click the quality control and control points, then click new. Add the title, the table. I know. Torque key setting. Then product is table, category is all, and the operation is the my office manufacturing. Work order operation, then work page is 3. Type is measure, norms is 13. Tolerance is 11 to 15. Then control pair is operation. See?
Charlene, I added a control point on the assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We have the opportunity to test it through the work center control panel.
FYI, the torque setting measure should be between 11 and 15 noon.
Click the manufacturing orders, then click operation, work orders, then click assembly station, and you can see torque settings, Then after that, click mark as done.
My fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufacture, including time and materials.
Okay, I checked the cost structure on the bill of materials. For theoretical cost, if you want to update it.
Click product, bill of materials, then click table, click BOM overview.
Hey, we received the USB barcode scanner you ordered last week.
Thanks, I configured it according to my keyboard.
Scan any barcode in a text editor to make us sure it works.
Charlene, I plan to use a barcode scanner to speed an inventory moves. Can you set the barcode reference on our product?
Okay, I set the barcode reference desk into the large desk. Okay, I set the barcode reference.
Click the products, then click large desk, then input the barcode desk 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then changes the amount of 100.
I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I have 3 large desks for you. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock? Okay, go to the dock here. I create the receipt with my barcode.
This is the barcode.
From Assure Interior speaking. I'd like to buy 3 large desks. Can you send me the order? I'll send it to you right now. Your email address is still erica@game.odo.com. Correct.
Click orders and quotation, then click new, then customer name is Azure Interior Brandon, then click the product as large desk. Then send by email. Send and confirm.
Hi, can you deliver Assure Interior Design in our property?
Okay, I continue the operation by scanning the products and the operation barcodes. The 3 desks didn't fit in one pack. I put 2 desks in a one pack and the last one in another.
Click configuration, then click settings and click packages. Then save. And after that, click the operations and click deliveries, then click Azure Interior Brandon. Then click the validate.
The system tells me there are 4 large desks on hand. However, I see only 3 in the warehouse. Okay, let's make an inventory adjustment. We probably scrap one of the desks.
Our average time to pick has increased by 30% compared to last year. As the warehouse gets bigger, workers have to walk more to pick products. I am going to do an ABC inventory analysis. Frequently sold products should go in Zone A, closer to the packing zone. Less frequently sold products should go in Zone C, at the end of the warehouse. Can you activation feature? Okay, so I divide our main stock, WH or stock, in 3 zones. I'll create these 3 new locations, Zone A, Zone B, Zone C, with their respective barcodes, Zone A, Zone B, Zone C.
Click the configuration and settings. Then going to warehouse and click storage location. Then save. Click configuration again and see the location it. Then click the internal location and create new. Then type the zone A and WH stock. Then in a location type, internal location. Then the barcode is zone A. Then repeat again. Create new and type zone B. Then WH and stock. The location type is internal location, and the barcode is Zone B. Repeat again, type the Zone C for the last location. And the barcode is Zone C.
According to my ABC analysis, the desks are the most frequently used. Can you move 3 large desk products from the location WH stock to the Zone A?
Okay, I'm on it.
I'm launching our new website. Any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like website with a cover on the top, customized with an office, images background. I will put some key numbers, 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 design products, and 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns, you customize, we design, we manufacture.
Click Edit to create the homepage. Then change the design. Pick the beautiful design. Then after that, change the photo of the office design. Then click the another theme, blocks, and get 3 to put the numbers. Then erase. Type the 580 and type the customers. Then next is 35 and type the employees. Next is 120. Type the design product. And lastly is 8. Type the shops. And next, add the 3 line again. Erase the feature 1 and type the you customize. Then centered. Next, we design. Then click centered. And last one, we manufacture. Change the beautiful design of the background. Put the dark blue and another one is the dark blue for the same outline. And next, change the information of the email Edo My Office Incorporation at example.com. Next is save.
Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, I create the product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
Click new and click product, then product name office chair. Then add the product of the office chair. Then next is input the sales price 120 and save.
Hi there, have we no sales for our new office chairs online? Can we do some search engine optimization?
I target keywords people are looking for on Google with the promote tool.
Click site and click import SEO. Then type the title office chair on sale My Office Incorporation. Then type the description gets the best office chairs for sale. Buy online now. Then input the keywords of office chair. Then click add. Save.
Banners are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variance feature and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors, gray, black, white, and purple, and 3 sizes, small, medium, large. We can even put a customized embroidery with their name on it.
Click configuration and click variant and save. Then click products, click chair and attributes and variants. Add the size and the values is small, medium, and large. Then add a line, color, and values gray, white, black, and purple. Then click the 3 button of the side. Click select and check the free test. And same with the color. Click select and check the pre-test. Save.
Our e-commerce is ready. Can you test buying a product online?
Sure.
Click the shop and change the size. Click the medium and color white. Then add to cart. Then view the cart and check. Then input the address. Save address and check. Then
And we did 350k US dollar in revenue through the website with an average cart size 250 US dollar. Can we upsell customer by proposing an options?
Yes. Let's create a new product warranty that we will set as an option of the chair. This warranty has 2 variants, 3 or 5 years.
click e-commerce, then product, then create the new and type the warranty. Then click the service of the product type and the sales price is 50. Then attribute, duration, and values is 3 years and 5 years. Then save. And click office chair and click sales, optional product, type the warranty. Click new and click blog post, then select blog, type the My Office Incorporation. Then add the title, year warranty, on furniture. Our quality, contract, then save. Then after that, change the background of the blog post. Input the office design of the background. Then click save. That's all.